Nails done. Ass waxed. Ready to party. Okay, welcome to a new vlog. So this is all Miami prep. I feel like I'm on the Amazing Race. I basically have 48 hours to do like XYZ, so much stuff. So we're starting out today with getting a Brazilian wax. This is just TMI, but there is nothing better than a waxed asshole. So I have a girl and like I love her, but the place she works at is so expensive that I was like, I cannot justify $90 to get a wax when I'm not having sex. So this one should last me till the end of the summer. My hair does not grow unless it's on my chin. So I've been just Groupon hopping for my past couple waxes. So I found this place and then I had like a Groupon discount. So this one is $18. I'm gonna tip on the full amount, don't worry. But it's inside a barber shop. So I'm gonna walk into like it's like old school barber shop with like the twirly things outside. So I'm gonna walk in there like, hey, can you wax my ass? But at least it's 9 a.m. and I will be the first person in there. It is so hard to find anything in this town. This town, it'll be like Main Street A and Main Street B, or like 64A, 64D. And you're like, I'm at Main Street A, 64D, but it's like, no, you're supposed to be at Main Street B, 64A. It's so confusing. Why even do that? But I think I found it. So I'm gonna walk over there in a second. But today is getting my wax, going to work. I have to film 2 hauls. Then I might interview for the other company at 4:30. Actually, this is just like an informational. There's like, this second company is the one I would kind of rather work at between the two. But this one I have to take like a written test and all that stuff. It's more of like an accounting firm. So this will be like the first of many interviews. Then I need to dye my hair tonight. And then tomorrow I'm getting my nails done, and then a spray tan, and then finishing packing and filming the videos. So a lot to pack in. I'm sure there's gonna be more. All right, my mustache is sweating. So I will see you when I'm bald. Okay, all done. Not gonna lie, that hurt a lot. I haven't had a full wax since probably last August. So my skin was not ready, and I already have very sensitive skin. But she was very sweet, very thorough. With the pain, I always tell people, I'm like, I'd rather have my asshole waxed 10 times before getting my eyebrows waxed. The eyebrows hurt way more. But the front, that hurt a lot. But again, you can wax my ass 10 times and I'll be like, doesn't hurt at all. But yeah, my vagina was not ready. And there's a lot of, TMI, I have a fat vagina, so it's not as taut as like it should be. But yeah, it's over with. Feels good, looks good. She was so sweet. Usually they talk your ear off, but you're like so like tense, and I always sweat. So you're like, I was born on a Tuesday. Like, so I like that this woman like barely spoke to me, and I was just kind of like, like, you know, just in the zone, focusing on the pain, but it's over. We're good. I think I'm gonna check out this new donut place, cause why not? It's not like I'm working on a Miami body. And I feel like, I just think if I'm not close to my house, I'm closer to other things. So I think relatively, I have to take a highway to get home, and the donut place is on the highway. I think I should be close. We'll see. So that is done. Now I'm gonna work, dye my hair, interview, all that stuff. Okay, I ended up getting 2 because you can't have just one. And it's funny, I'm literally parked right in front of a gym. Oh my God. Okay, so these are essentially like made to order because they had regular ones you can get, which I did. And then she's like, or you can like mix and match and like pick your topping and we'll just make it. I got maple bacon, which is like my go-to for like a fancy donut, and then a s'mores. I know I'm gonna love the maple bacon, so I was like, let me do the s'mores first. I don't have any napkins in my car, and I didn't grab any. Oh my God, it's hot. It's too hot. Maybe we'll taste test when I'm back home. I'm gonna have some bacon first though. Ooh, okay. Just took my first bite of the s'mores one. It's like cake. It's like really like dense like cake. Oh my God, that was really good. But I was using a fork and knife because it is still too hot, and they're very messy, but cake-like, but very good. All right, Lucky Betty is gonna get some bacon. Hey, miss. Yum, 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 yum. Yummy. A little more. Bacon, bacon, bacon. Yummy, yummy. All right, we'll see what's left when I'm done. Cutie. Okay, so I just finished my other like informational interview with the other company. This one I feel a little bit more better about. This one would also be kind of hybrid. It's more so of an accounting firm, so I would be going to clients maybe in the beginning of the day, and then I could work from home the rest of the day. Or I could work from home in the morning, go in, you know, at 1 p.m. and like do stuff with other team members. So it's definitely hybrid. And you know what? I would love to like work from home permanently, but like I think being social is really good. And when I looked this place up on Glassdoor, all the pictures were like of them at baseball games or on Halloween. I was like, I kind of like that camaraderie kind of feeling. So we'll see how this one goes. I think I might have to take some kind of written test. It is like accounting. So we'll see. But I just do get a better vibe from this place. The hindrance with this one though is, yes, it is flexible, but you have to work X amount of hours a month. So they're really like, you're getting time off as you want, but you're still gonna have to make that up. So even like Thanksgiving, you're gonna get that Thursday off, but you have to make up those 8 hours somewhere else in the month. So I don't love that. I would like time off to be time off, but after working in the city, 14-hour days, I'm used to that. So if I was sitting on my ass in my living room for, you know, 10 hours a day just to make up some other hours, I don't think I would mind that. So it's a give and take. Although, like I said, neither of these are my dream company. My dream company does actually have regular days off, but like I said, my dream company isn't hiring right now. So I think of the two, I would like to get this one, but we'll see. Everything's up in the air. So again, we'll see. Good morning. So last night I made my packing list, so I have a good place to jump off of. So today we are tackling my roots. So I got my old box dye L'Oreal. We're gonna dye my hair, freshen it up. I do love the overtone, but I'm gonna wait till the end of summer because it does wash out like in a pool. So I feel like I'm gonna be submerged most of this summer. So we're gonna save the overtone for the fall again, but I did like the results I got. But we're gonna do my tried and true L'Oreal box dye. I just really like that I haven't gotten a zit in probably a year because of my birth control, and now that I'm going to a wedding, bam, why? Okay, I'm letting the dye sink in longer than it should. It says 25 minutes. I'm gonna leave it in for an hour because I feel like that's what gets me the best results. It's probably eating my brain right now. So I'm just cleaning up a little bit. I do have to film 2 videos, then get my nails done and all that stuff. So I think I'll be good on time today. So I saw my uncle and his fiance the other day at my cousin's birthday party. It was an 8-year-old birthday party. I will insert a clip because they had the coolest little cars. It was like a Segway that you sit in, but giant. It was really cool. Me and Caitlin were screaming our heads off, even though we're 2 feet off the ground, but really, really cool.
Are you just doing wheelies? Actually, why does it look so good when you do it? He has had practice.
I want to do that. Couldn't figure out how to go straight, but I want to do that.
Yeah. Woo. I'd get sick, I think.
Anyways, I saw my uncle and his fiance, and I was joking. I was like, I love getting up in front of an audience. Like, I don't even need a mic. And then the next day, Adriana, the bride, texts me. She goes, would you mind making announcements and speeches at the wedding? And I said, okay. But now I'm like, ugh. Because I'm going to be doing like, it's her parents' anniversary, my parents' anniversary. Their oldest kids just graduated college, and then their youngest 2 just completed their first year of college. So mine's gonna be like congratulating everyone. I'm like, okay, do you want like a nice like, hey everyone, blah, blah, blah. Or do you want like a, I better hear you fucking screaming? Cause it'll probably be the latter because it's a wedding and I will be drunk. So like, I might go full Jersey on you. So we'll see. I'm sure someone will catch it on camera, but there's that little added pressure, even though I said I do love getting up in front of a crowd because I'm an asshole. So I'm gonna let this continue eating my brain. Clean up. I think it's always nice to come home after a trip to a clean space. I'm gonna at least try and do that going forward. So cleaning up a little bit, and then I gotta start packing later. I need to like measure my suitcase, like which one I'm bringing. I don't know, we'll figure it out. All right, my 2 options for the wedding came in. These are both from Showpo. I think it's an Australian website, but I wanted to try it out. I'm kind of leaning towards this one. This one was way more expensive. Both of these cost a little too much, more than I would spend on anything, but I was like, fuck it. They are having 2 ceremonies though, so a Miami one and then a New Jersey one for people who can't travel down there. So whatever one doesn't get worn, I'll just wear to the other one, but they're a little bit more fancy. But I'm hoping they fit. I haven't tried them on yet because I was gross last night and now I have hair dye in my hair. So I'm hoping they fit, but I think I should have some backups just in case of emergency. But yeah, hopefully these fit because I spent $200 total. Woof. All right, I did it. I filmed my 2 hauls. Now I just have to edit them. I'm gonna get my nails done. I walked all the way down there and it was packed and they're like, can you come back at like 1? So that's okay with me. So that's what we're gonna do. I think I have 20 minutes. Perfect timing. So gonna get my nails done, come home, take my makeup off, go get a spray tan, come home, edit the videos, keep cleaning, start packing. I thought my flight was at noon tomorrow. 9 a.m. So we'll probably be at the airport at 6 a.m. I also have to pack Betty's things. Caitlin is gonna watch her all week. Poor Betty, like she just came home from Uncle Kevin's house and now she's going to Caitlin's house. She's like, where are you taking me? And I'm gonna miss her so much. So I gotta pack all her food, her treats, her, you know, all her stuff. So I gotta pack Betty a bag. But I'm very proud of myself for getting 2 hauls done in like 35 minutes. There is literally a jigsaw 6 feet away from me. My neighbors are redoing their kitchen. So during those 2 hauls, do you hear it? Probably not. Big table saw, jigsaw, literally 6 feet out my window. So hopefully it's not too annoying. I did just try on the dresses. So one, not so sure about, might need to eat only vegetables in the month of July so I can wear it to the July portion of the wedding. And then the pink one, it is very fancy. I think I should be good once I steam it, once I'm tied in correctly, but I was like, ooh, this is a little bridesmaidy, but whatever. I feel good in it, so we'll see, we'll see. I do have some backups. I'm gonna really comb through all my stuff before I pack again. But yeah, let's go get my nails done for the first time since fingers, at least December, toes, April. So let's do it. Nails done, ass waxed, ready to party. So I got my nails done, very happy with them. Went for a very bright pink, very summery. Got the same thing on my toes. And now I'm gonna get my spray tan. And this shopping center also has a Panera, so the kitchen sink cookie might happen too. Okay, all waxed. Sometimes I feel like my teeth look whiter when I'm waxed. So I said there's a Panera here. There's also a Moe's. Okay, so my room looks like hell, literally exploded in here. So I'm gonna start the packing process by first just laying out the things I wanna bring. So we have my ASOS dress right there. I have this pile of Shein stuff to go through. I do have my list of mostly things, but I'm also gonna probably add outfits here. I did lay out the days of what I think I wanna wear. So I have my list and then I'm just gonna lay things out, sift through it again, and then use my packing cubes and pack up my suitcase. I know it's gonna be 85 degrees, but there's something about this dress that says, bring me. The wedding was originally supposed to be on New Year's, so this is what I was planning to wear back then, and there's something about it that screams wedding to me. So I'm bringing the green, sparkly, long sleeve dress. We'll see what happens. Just said bye to Betty and I am misty. That was hard. My tan is developing very fast. So I look like the New Jersey tan mom. Also, it's gathering around my neck. It's gonna wash off. But I look, whoa, right now. So the pile has gotten worse. I'm out of breath. I just like ran up 2 flights of stairs. Pile is worse. I'm thinking of backups to backups. And you know, like you always think you're gonna shit your pants 10 times on vacation. So I need to rein it in. Ooh, I look dirty. So I'm gonna continue packing probably all through the night. My old go-to was dumping a clean clothes hamper into the nearest suitcase and hoping for the best. So at least I'm putting some planning into this. Okay, I did it. All that mess that was on the bed is all in this bag. So I have a regular bra, the strapless bra. I'm wearing a black bra on the plane. This is all the going out cute outfits. I have my big hat in here and I stuffed my loungewear pajamas in the head part of the hat. So every square inch of this is filled. I put all my headbands. They are perfectly round in this little bag. I got my makeup, my big gown in here. I decided, like, wedding shoe wise, to just go with nude heels. I feel like that would go with most of the things I have and the backups. I'm gonna keep this open and maybe put dirty socks in here. We'll see. But yeah, I think I did it. It's probably like 70 pounds, but size wise, I got it all in. I'm chubby and I'm Irish. I'm not built for this.